So following the circles, moving up and down with my breath, with my voice, and you can either have your eyes closed or eyes open and follow the circles. So finding a comfortable position. And then take a breath in. And a breath out. Breath in. And breath out. Breath in. Breath out. Breath in. Breath out. So you're following the circles. Breathing in. And breathing out. If the pace doesn't work for you, you can go at a pace that suits you. Otherwise, following me, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and out. Breath in, breath out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. In and out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breath in, breath out. Breath in, breath out. Breath in, breath out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breath in, breath out. Breath in, breath out. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. In and out. In and out. Then allow your breath to be back at its natural pace. Just allow the breath to be at its natural rhythm. And watch the breath. Watch the breath flowing in. And watch the breath flowing out. Breath flowing in and out. Without changing it now, just let that be natural. Observe. Observe the inhale. Observe the exhale. And notice if you can be aware of the gap between the inhale and between the exhale. And notice if you can see a gap between the exhale and the inhale. Notice that there are actually 4 parts of the breath. The inhale, pause, exhale, and pause. Observing. Just let your awareness ride the wave of the breath. The breath in, the pause, and the breath out, and the pause. The breath in, pause, and the breath out, and the pause. And then becoming aware of the room you're in. And if you have the eyes closed, begin to gently open the eyes.